Let's barbecue with the CO crew. Chocolatey baked bananas.
Hi, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Loz, and we're
The CO crew,
spreading the word about carbon monoxide.
We love getting outside now it's summer, especially for a barbecue. And we've got another great recipe idea for you. It's really quick and easy.
And most importantly, seriously delicious. So, get ready for Chocolatey baked bananas. They're basically baked bananas, full of gooey melted marshmallows and chocolate. I can't get enough of them.
What you need are some bananas, at least one per person.
Unpeel each banana and make a slit up the middle lengthways. You can use a table knife for this, as bananas are pretty soft.
Now get some marshmallows and chunks of your favourite chocolate and push a mixture of both into the slit. Then wrap up the bananas tightly in kitchen foil.
Then, all that's left to do is put the banana packets into the barbecue embers for 4 to 5 minutes. Carefully open the foil and you'll have deliciously gooey chocolate baked bananas. How cool is that? Eat it on its own or with some of your favourite ice cream.
And that's another great idea for your barbecue from the CO crew.
Now remember to always use your barbecue out in an open space and never inside anywhere.
As well as making sure that your house doesn't smell of smoke, barbecues produce a gas called carbon monoxide. You can't see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, or touch it, but it can make you feel ill, or worse.
That's why it's important to follow these rules to stay safe.
Give the barbecue lots of space in the open air. Never take them indoors or inside a tent or even a gazebo.
Make sure gas barbecues are working correctly and are properly assembled.
It's not difficult to stay safe, and it's worth taking the time to make sure nothing spoils the perfect barbecue. Well, almost nothing.
Let's barbecue with the CO crew. Look online for barbecue recipe cards and how you can send the CO crew your favourite recipe. You may even win a prize. Find out more at funkidslive.com/CO crew.